Joe, are you going to look out for Cupid tomorrow?
No.
Why?
I am.
What are you going to do when you see Cupid?
Punch him?
Why?
I don't know. I don't hide him.
You going to hug him? He's going to shoot you with his arrow?
I'm not.
Yeah, he is.
Hide him.
He's going to make you fall in love with somebody. For real.
I hate him.
Why do you hate him? He's nice.
I don't hate him.
He wears a diaper?
Ew! And I don't see his diaper.
Yeah, you're going to see his diaper.
Ew!
How's that chocolate?
Good.
Is it yummy?
It's hard.
It's hard?